With almost 3,000 kilometers in length, the reflectivity of the surface of this dark spot is less than 30%. The bright Sputnik Plain nearby forms a striking contrast. So far, the exact cause of these dark spots has not been determined, but scientists have some assumptions. First, the Cthulhu region. Tholins are complex organic molecules that usually form on the surface of cold bodies outside the solar system. They are formed by exposure to ultraviolet radiation, where simple organic substances are gradually transformed. In addition, the high density of craters in the Cthulhu region also indicates that these areas are geologically very old. Leaving the Cthulhu region, we continue to advance north until we reach the Lowell region. Here, around the north pole of Pluto, there is a vast canyon. What is surprising is that this area is currently the brightest part of Pluto's surface. This glow is because, during its orbit, the North Pole will be facing the Sun. This may also be the reason why, in the last 30 years, although the distance between Pluto and the Sun is increasing, the density of its atmosphere has doubled. Sunlight can evaporate the soldiers from the North Pole, causing them to deposit on the poles and then enter Pluto's atmosphere. Compared to other planets in the solar system, Pluto's orbital motion has many unique features. In addition to the orbit having an obvious inclination in relation to the ecliptic plane, Pluto will also periodically oscillate around a point. This oscillation is due to the gravitational influence of its large moon, Charon. Charon's mass is more than 11% of Pluto's mass due to this gravitational interaction. Pluto and Charon orbit around a common point, and they are both locked in rotation, always showing the same face to each other. Charon's surface is darker than Pluto's, displaying a rich presence of water ice. This water ice, in some areas, mixes with methane and nitrogen, forming unique geological features. In addition to Charon, there are several smaller and irregularly shaped satellites, like Nix and Hydra, which were discovered in 2005. Their diameters are in the range of tens of kilometers. Later discoveries showed that these satellites are mainly composed of water ice and may have been captured by Pluto from the Kuiper Belt. Unfortunately, despite the New Horizons mission, we still discovered many interesting geological features, like in Charon with an area of about 400,000 square kilometers. It is the size of a medium-sized European country. It also has the highest peak of Charon, Kubrick Mountain, with a diameter of about 40 kilometers and a height that can reach 4,000 meters. In addition, the mountain is surrounded by a wide circular channel with a depth of up to 2 kilometers. It is believed that Kubrick Mountain may be an ice volcano. If true, the area around it may have sunk due to the emptying of underground reservoirs. It became a unique geological feature. Extending to the north is the Ostra region, where the surface is full of many meteorite craters. With a height of about 1 kilometer, the largest is the Valley of Tranquility, which extends for hundreds of kilometers and has a depth of 7 kilometers. It is difficult to explore the bottom due to the heavy shadows under the steep slopes. As you approach the North Pole, there is a large motorcycle margin with a diameter of more than 400 kilometers. The origin is still in debate. The current main theory is that Pluto is large. In addition, under radiation, these substances are transformed into tholins and gradually deposited in the ice layer of this celestial body. This hypothesis needs to be further verified. Future missions will research this. Although the main mission of New Horizons has already been completed, the return of the detector is very important for the study of the peripheral region of the solar system. However, by around 2030, all detector systems will eventually fail. New Horizons will be alone in the cold depths of space.